Vedas describe that if one offends a Vaishnava, that offense is so serious that even to pray to God, to Krishna, will not forgive you from that. You have to go to the Vaishnava and ask for forgiveness. Similarly, if one offends the holy name of Krishna, the holy name of Krishna is the dearest to Krishna. It is Krishna's most merciful form rather. And as such, there is no other form of Krishna more merciful than the holy name of Krishna. So you have to go to the holy name and pray to the holy name to be forgiven for your offense. So Srila Prabhupada Swami Maharaj has recommended that if one prays prayer like this, Sri Krishna Namashtakam, the glory of the holy name, that this helps one or gets rid of one offenses to the holy name and allows one to chant in a more pure way. This is a very important verse. It's a meditation on the glories of the name of Krishna. It's only for those persons who are not envious. Anyone who is envious of Krishna's name, then they should listen. You don't want to commit the offense of telling the glories of the holy name to the unfaithful. The verse is a very beautiful verses. There's only 8 of them, Ashtakam. So read through them and just give a brief explanation. Hila Sruti Muliratnamala Jyuti Nirajita Pada Pankajanta Ai Mukta Kularupa Samanam Paritastvam Harinama Sansrayami. Translation. O my dear Harinam, holy name of Krishna, you are identical with Lord Sri Krishna's transcendental form according to all of the Upanishads. The Upanishads personified, glorified the effulgence emanating from your lotus feet. In other words, my dear holy name, your all of the personified Vedas taking shelter at your lotus feet sing your transcendental glories with chosen verses, and yogis, rishis, and all kinds of liberated souls appropriately worship your lotus feet. Therefore, I completely surrender myself unto your lotus feet. So, the perspective, the invocation of this first verse given by Rupa Goswami is praying to the holy name of Krishna. That Krishna's form is not different from the holy name. That the effulgence of the Brahman is coming from the lotus feet of the holy name. And all the great rishis, munis, liberated souls, they worship the holy name. Therefore, he's surrendering to the holy name. Meditation on the holy name is given this direct prominence that actually the holy name is Krishna, that the holy name is Chaitanya, fully conscious. Therefore, we can address the holy name, we can pray to the holy name, we can have a relationship with the holy name. And the liberated souls, they are always associating with this Harinam. So we have to adjust our perspective to avoid thinking that the holy name is some type of just static vibration, or that the holy name is some external material sound. But the holy name is the transcendental, absolute truth known as Sabda Brahman. He is complete in all opulences, in all powers. Nam Akari Bahuna Nija Sharava Shaktis. All the of Krishna is present in any of Krishna's forms, whether in his visible or his pastime Lila form, or whether in his Sabda Brahman form. So we are praying tonight to this form as the holy name, to understand Krishna in his merciful form is the holy name, and we're surrendering to the holy name to take the shelter of the Lord's holy name in this age of Kali.